Good evening everyone. So today I am going to showcase a project which I have just created. You can see the name of my project, collaborative whiteboard. So let's go to my code base. I am going to explain each and everything one by one. This is the client side and this is the server side. This project is created based on the M.E.R.N stack. So this is the build folder which I have used to deploy on my Nativefly website, and here is the node modules of my front end site, and here is a public folder where you can see that there is a index.html file, and in src you can see components, context, app.js, config.js, index.js, packages, package log.json and package.json file. So let's deep dive into our components file. So here you can see that I have drawing canvas.js, room join.js, toolbar.js, user cursors.js and whiteboard.js. Okay, so drawing canvas, it helps to draw our user, or it is built to maintain our drawing canvas section. And here is the room join section, like if anybody wants to join the room, this component it's going to help him or her. This is the toolbar section, like toolbar section means like these things, like we can make the stroke wider, or we can make it even thinner. Like this kind of work is going to help by this component. And this is the user cursors, like you can see that this is the cursor. By using this we can draw our desired designs. And this is the whiteboard.js, like this is the UI. This is the UI which is created by this component, whiteboard.js file. I hope it is visible to you now. And let's come to the socket context.js. It helps helps your users to join the room, like generate code or leave the room. Like it is the heart of our project in our front end file. Now this is the app.js. This component is responsible for all of our front end works, like joining the room, leaving the room, drawing a line, or even clearing the canvas. Like it is maintaining all of our components. Okay, and this is the config file. Here I have whitelisted my deployed URL. I deployed my backend URL in my render account. And this is the index.js file where our app is rendered in a strict mode. So this is all for our front end part. Now let's move on to the server part. So here you can see that in our server part we have one model that is known as room.js. Okay, In our node module sections, this is our node module sections. This is our route rooms.js. Here I have enabled all kind of routes. This is socket handler. In our project we have implemented socket.io, which is helps users to join the room, leaving the room, or maintaining the they can see if anybody is online or not. Like you can see here correctly that one user is joined and it's connected. This kind of activity is maintained by this file socket.handler.js, and this is our .env file where I have secured my MongoDB URL. I have used MongoDB Atlas. I have now let's move on to the package.json. Here I have installed. You can see that there is lot of dependencies. For now we can ignore this part, and here I have installed the required packages, which you can see in my dependency sections. And in our server.js file I have required all kind of files and used middleware, use database connections, use routes, and socket.io handler also. And this is my gig tone, and this is my project summary where you can see my project details. And see the project details. Now let's coming to our product demo. If you can see you can clearly see our project UI by clicking on this generate code. This is generating a code, random code, which is helping us to join this room. See, we have joined in our room, and by choosing a color we can draw any of our desired designs. Okay, project or designs, whatever you can say. And by clicking this clear canvas section we can clear our work, and we can also leave our room by clicking on this leave room button. So this is all for my project. Thank you for watching me.